Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright, we are adding a key to a 2015 Buick Lacross. It is the Prox Flip key. The programming slot is down in the cup holder. You can't see it because everything's black in here. But it slides right down into it. Kind of see it there. Goes right in. Confirm vehicle profile, yes. And go to control unit. Read immobilizer password. BCM auto, and I have the ignition on with the existing key. Stop button once. Okay. There we go. Now it's doing something. It's kind of slow talking to this car. Should have rolled the windows down before I turned it off. It is hot. There we go, finally, 0261. Alright, we're going to go back to immobilizer. Yep. Keyless system. Let's see how many keys we got on this car. 2 keys. Add a smart key. Start stop button once. Okay. Key is already in the slot. 0261. Yep. And then we're going to run into the 12-minute wait. Alright, we'll be back in 12 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and decode his emergency key while I'm doing that, and we'll be back. Alright, 12 minutes is up. It is doing its thing. We'll have a press the start stop button once, ready for remote 3. This will change to remote 4. Press OK. Come on. Did not take my key. That's interesting. I'll try in another position. Yes. Okay. Start stop button once. Okay. There it is. Okay. So I had the key vertically because I thought that's how it fit, but it turns out that pocket's a little bit wider than I thought. So I put it horizontal. You can see that. Yeah. Key side up and horizontal. I have it buttons back. I figured vertical with the chip being as close to the pocket as it could be was the way, but apparently it was not. But we are good to go. It went to remote 4, meaning it took mine. My buttons will now work. I must have a dead battery. Nope, there it goes. Okay. There we go. Alright, so we're good to go. We just got to get finish out the process here. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Just learn this one again, I guess. I just hit the wrong button when it asked, did you want to match the next key? Because I was not paying attention to what I was doing. It's fine though, it'll either just take this one back again or just not take one. Autel, for some reason, it clearly did not take that key the first time, and it said it did. It always does that. It says current key matching complete, if it worked or not. And that's why you keep an eye on the number up here and check the number of keys. I checked, it said it had 2, said ready for 3, went through the whole process and never went to 4. And then again, still ready for remote 4, says it's complete. I do not want to match the next key. Turn the ignition off, take suppress. My God, turn off, man. What do you want? There we go. Ignition off. Hold for 12 seconds. This is what kicks it out of programming. You'll see it will change the message off of that, meaning you are out of programming. There we go. Programming is over. I think Autel still has you do a couple things, but you're done at this point. Figuring the system. Long press till we turn the ignition on. These take forever. There we go. One press gets you accessory. It takes a long press to get onto ignition, which is what this needs to see. So, ignition off. Start the engine. Another 5 seconds. Back off. Stop the engine, open and close the door. Smart key. We have remote, so we are good to go. No, there is not. Number of match keys is 3, and we are done. I'm just going to go cut this emergency key, get paid, and get out of here.